So here's how you can fix Aternose Failed to verify username. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system. First of all, we will open the page of Aternose, which I have already opened. If you have created an account, then log in, otherwise create an account. After that, we will click on Create Server option here. Then we have to create a server. After that, we will go down and copy the server address. Then we will open Minecraft here and click on the multiplayer option. After that, we will paste our server address by clicking on Add Server option below and click on Done option. Then click on the Join Server option. So now there is an error, failed to verify username. Let me tell you how we can fix this error. First of all, we will click on Back Server List option and minimize Minecraft. After that, we will stop our server. Then here we will click on the option on the left side. After that, we will see some options here, but we will enable the crack option below. Then click on Server option and start your server as soon as our server is started. After that, we will open Minecraft. Then we will click on the server and click on the Join Server option. After that, we will join in our world of Minecraft. In this way, so we can fix failed to verify username error in Aternose.